Okay, so GP number 1 is on adding polynomials. So the directions are to add. Be simple. So the first two polynomials that we're going to be adding together are 9x plus 5x squared minus 4 plus 2x squared minus 11x plus 7. So we have two polynomials here, and we are adding them together. Now, notice we have this addition symbol in front of the second set of parentheses. And typically speaking, when you have something written out in front of your parentheses, you distribute it. However, if you distribute a positive into the parentheses, that's not going to change any of our signs. So we're simply just combining the like terms from the first polynomial and the second. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stack my like terms in standard form. So we just talked about standard form in the vocab, and standard form is where you list your terms in order from the highest degree to the lowest degree. So I'm going to take my first polynomial and I'm going to write it in standard form. So my highest degree term is 5x squared. So I have 5x squared, and that's my second degree term. My first degree term, because this is x to the first power, is 9x, and that's a positive 9x, so plus 9x. And then my constant is my 0 degree term because it doesn't have an x on it, so minus 4. And then I'm going to stack the like terms from the second polynomial under the first polynomial. So 5x squared is a like term with 2x squared because they both have x to the second power. So that's 2x squared. 9x and negative 11x are like terms. And 7 and negative 4 are like terms because they're both a constant. They do not contain a variable. So from here, I'm just combining my like terms. Now, what you have to keep in mind, and this happens a lot, I've seen it happen so often with students, is we are just combining the number of x squareds that we have here. We do not change the exponent when we are combining like terms. So what we're saying is that we have 5x squareds, and then we add to that 2x squareds, giving us a total of 7x squareds. So again, make sure when you're adding and subtracting your polynomials that you do not touch the exponents. If you have a positive 9x and a negative 11x, 9 minus 11 is going to give us negative 2x's. And then negative 4 plus 7 gives us a positive 3. So we stack the like terms in standard form, and then from there, we simply combine the coefficients of each term. Again, do not change exponents. All right, so for B, we're going to do 5x to the 6th plus 9 plus 2x to the 6th plus 4x to the 4th plus 7. So go ahead and pause the video and try this one out and see how you do. All right, so let's see how you did. So we have 5x to the 6th plus 9. That's already in standard form for us. Now I'm going to leave a space here because I see that there's a third term over here, which means something's going to fall in between the two because this is the 6th degree term and this is the 0 degree term. that is going to be in between them. So I'm going to stack my 2x to the 6th goes with my 5x to the 6th. And this is a positive, so I'm going to be adding it. Plus 4x to the 4th plus 7. I go through and combine my like terms, combine my coefficients. So if I have 5x to the 6th, and I add to that 2 of them, that's going to give me 7x to the 6th. There's nothing for me to combine with my 4x to the 4th. So that's just going to remain 4x to the 4th. And 9 plus 7 gives us 16. So that is our adding polynomials.